Hi YouTube, just want to let you know I'm starting a new project. I've constructed my anvil and made my anvil stand. That's all quite good now. Made myself a beginner's set of tongs. And it's about time I started building my forge. I may have mentioned in my other video that I'm going to build a gas forge using a stainless steel beer keg. I'm going to be laying the keg down flat, having an opening in the front, opening in the back, sliding door, and I'll be using ceramic fibre as a lining on the inside and using a rigidizer to firm that up, and then refractory cement in a slurry with a coating to harden that and protect the fibre itself from damage from the burners and also from bits of hot steel banging into it, touching it. I'm going to be making it with 2 burners. Not a lot else to tell you about it other than I hope I can do a decent job of it, and we'll find out. So I'll give you a bit of a view of the stainless steel beer keg that I'm going to be using, and then some progress videos as I go through. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, here we have it. My stainless steel keg, which is going to become my forge. If I put that across there, you can see that is roughly about 300 mil from one side to the other. That's an outline of where I intend to make my opening at the front. I'm going to use the handles and square those up. I'm going to be cutting slots where the handles are, and that will be where I shall construct a bit of a framework between here and here, handle on the other side, and that will be where I use my sliding door to block it off. It will be laid on its side, roughly like that. Obviously going to have a little doorway in the back as well. Have to have a different system to have a door on that, but because it's the only where things will poke out the back, I don't need to have the sliding door mechanism. I'll probably just have something I can put a brick up against. I mentioned before I was going to use ceramic fibre as the lining material. That will do around the edge, the outsides and front and back. The base will have fibre cement under the bottom, and then fire brick layer across the base of there with rigidizer and refractory cement. Bit of a table out the front like so, and some framing material that comes up and across and down that I have my this is a bad way to describe it, but a framing that comes up and has my burners set up securely pointing down into it and set up on a stand. So that's the basic plan. Hopefully it'll turn out pretty well. We'll see. And yeah, that's all for now. Bye.